Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create slide decks in NoteBookLM. Let's get started. First, open the NoteBookLM website and click on Try NoteBookLM. On the next page, click on Create New Notebook. Now, click on the Drop Files Here area and select the files you want to use as sources for your notebook. Wait a few moments while NoteBookLM uploads and processes your files. Once the sources have been added, select the sources you want to use. Next, go to the right side of the screen and click on the arrow for the slide deck tool. Here, you can customize your slide deck by selecting the language, choosing the desired length, and adding a description of what you want the presentation to cover. After that, click on the Generate button. NoteBookLM will take a few minutes to create your slide deck based on the sources and settings you provided. Once the slide deck is ready, you can open it to review the presentation. You can also download it to your device for later use. And that's it. This is how to create slide decks in NoteBookLM. If you liked the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.